Subscribe here for more educational videos. Ring bell to be first viewer of new uploads. Click thumb icon if you like this video to encourage us. ITOYS presents. Hello kids, let's hear a moral story about an eagle and a hunter who catch it. The name of the story is The Eagle and His Captor. This story tells that how a right decision on right time can save you from up.
An eagle was once captured by a man, who immediately cropped his wings and put him into his poultry yard with the other birds. The eagle was deeply hurt at this behavior. A few days later, another neighbor purchased him and allowed his feathers to grow back.
For more information, visit our website.
The eagle flew out and pounced upon a hare. It brought the dead hare as a gift for his benefactor. A fox, on seeing this, advised him,
Do not try to win the favor of this man, but of your former owner. This is because you should keep your former owner happy, so that he doesn't catch you again, and deprive you a second time of your wings.
Moral of the story is, sometimes keeping good relation with the people who have harmed you pays high benefits. So the power of right decision is very important for future benefits.